Hi, I'm Thierry Warren, Professor of Data Science for International Business. Welcome to this conversation about our specialization in international business at HEC Montreal. So I'm going to talk about four parts in this little conversation. The first one is about our students, who they are. The second part is about what do they do once they graduate. The third part will be about the different themes we cover in our specialization, and the fourth part will be about our professors. So who are our amazing students? So our students are into two cohorts. One is a Francophone and one is an Anglophone cohort. But there is a lot of mixity and fusion between these two cohorts anyway. So it's students coming from all over the world. In fact, it's a nice mix of students from Asia and Africa and Latin America and so on. So different cultures, different backgrounds as well, and not only people from social sciences, from business, but also engineers and so on. So again, I mean, it's a great mix of people coming from all over the world. What do they do once they graduate? A lot of them work in the private sector, in multinational corporations, in small and medium enterprises, in startups, exposed to internationalization or international events. They are also students working in governmental agencies from Quebec, Canada, but also from their own country. So it's a very multinational perspective. What do we study actually when we come to this specialization? So we study different methodologies first. So we study qualitative studies and quantitative studies. We study data science, for instance. We can leverage new data to make better decisions as a manager, as an analyst, but also as someone who will promote in governmental agencies the local companies in the international markets. So we also cover, and mainly actually we cover domains such as international finance, international trade, multinational corporations, human rights. We talk about social innovation. So we talk about the complexity of the world in all our courses, and complexity is a concept here. Who are the professors? So they are all researchers, so they teach at different levels, in fact, the PhD level, the MSc level, the MBA level, the baccalaureate level. So they are great teachers and also great researchers with an amazing expertise in all the domains I mentioned earlier. So it's always great to mingle and knock at the doors and talk to all these teachers. It's a way for myself and for the students actually to learn a lot from them. They are again incredible scholars, amazing expertise. So in a nutshell, I mean, in a couple of square feet, I mean, you'll find an amazing group of people coming from all over the world with great expertise. So if you add up all the students, if you add up all the professors and all the different activities and extracurricular activities, it's a great place, and I would encourage you to apply actually to our specialization, whatever your background. You should not worry too much if you are not a typical social scientist, for instance, or haven't not done business studies, because you can actually, once accepted, you can follow some tracks and courses actually to catch up on some elements of language or some methodologies. So it's also a selective specialization. So it doesn't mean you should not apply because it's selective. I mean, it means please apply and build a strong dossier, and all will go well. So I hope you enjoyed this little conversation, and it clarifies a little bit more actually what we do in the International Business Department. Should you have any questions, please feel free to follow up. Thank you.